Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now? Connect both phones to the same Wi-Fi and make sure battery levels are at least 50% so transfers won't abort. On the source device, open the official clone app and select Send. On the target, choose Receive and accept permissions. Pair devices via QR or Bluetooth when prompted, because pairing creates the secure channel used for data transfer. Once paired, select the categories to move, contacts, messages, apps, and tap Start so the transfer can begin. Now you control what moves and why. Pick specific data types to reduce time and avoid duplicates, since apps and media account for most size. Once you press Transfer, monitor the progress bar and watch for any permission pop-ups on either phone. Grant access quickly so the stream doesn't stall. Make sure both phones stay awake and unlocked, and minimize other network or CPU activity to keep throughput steady. If a large album is queued, transfers may take longer. Let it finish uninterrupted. Finish strong. When the app reports completion, review contacts, messages, photos, and critical app data to ensure everything arrived intact. Make sure to sign into apps that require authentication because credentials usually don't transfer. Then restore app settings as needed. After verification, revoke temporary permissions and unpair Bluetooth for security. If something didn't copy, retry only the missing categories or switch to an alternative method. Use a wired transfer or create a PC backup and restore, because that often resolves interrupted or corrupted transfers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.